Hi there, it's Maureen from Color Me Positive PLR, and I've been working on a couple of coloring book pages, and I wanted to show you how I'm using the Pirate Pack from Niranjan. I want to create an adult coloring book with pirates, so I've been looking up quotes and different things like that. So I'm going to show you how I'm doing it. Okay, I like this guy, and this is an SVG file, so I'm just going to drag it in from the folder and place it here, and I'll make him a bit bigger. And I want to change this about him, his hat. I want to put one of the hats that I put into the one-time offer bonus. So what you're going to do is right click on him and go convert to shape, or you can come up to graphics format. Well, it's a shape now, but you could have come up to graphics format before and gone over here and done convert to shape as well. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm going to come over to the shape format and go to group, ungroup. Okay, and that takes them apart. And there seems to be just a little bit of extras there, so I'm just going to delete that. So what I want to do is get rid of this because I want to put a hat on. So I'm going to delete all of this so I can place the hat. And I'm going to leave his forehead there just so I can know where to go, how far down to go with the hat. Might take a little bit of time, but it doesn't take too long. Okay, so now he doesn't have a hat or hair or anything. So I'm going to come over here, and I think I'll grab this one, drag that in, and place it over him. Now that's a little too big, so you want to make it small enough for his head, for it to fit. So I'm just going to drag it up here, and I'm going to turn him. See, now this is where his forehead is, and I'll make it a bit bigger. Drag it in a bit. And I like it right there. So now what I want to do is I want to group him up again. Otherwise I'm going to be pulling out pieces and messing things up. So I'm just going to come over, drag my mouse all the way over him. And then I'm going to come over to picture or shape format, either one. And I'm going to go back and group the whole thing. Okay, so now he's one image again. And I'm going to actually turn him around, I think. Yeah. So I'm going to go to shape format, rotate, and flip horizontal. Okay. And then I'm going to grab one of the monkeys that came in this bonus pack. This little guy, just drag him in. I'm going to place him here and make him smaller. And I'm going to sit him on his arm. Maybe just a little bit bigger. I like this because it looks like the pirate is looking at him like, what the heck? So there's this great quote that made me laugh when I saw it. So I'm going to put that in here. So I'm going to insert a bubble for the monkey to talk through. Okay, and I'm going to move it up, and then I'm going to come over to rotate, flip horizontal, because I want this to be pointing to the monkey. And see this little orange thing here? You can pull on that, make this longer, make it shorter. So I want it to go over here, right where the monkey is. Okay. Now I need this to be filled with white. So you go to your shape fill with white, and then shape outline, I want it to be black. Okay, so that's good. And then I'm going to insert a text box. And this is the quote, or quote saying, joke, whatever it is. No, sir. I said pirate ship. Why would I call you a pile of... Yeah, that word. Okay, so I mean, you would not use this in a children's pirate coloring book, or at least I hope you wouldn't, right? Now I'm just going to center that, and I'm just going to make the font a bit bigger. That's too big, and then I'm going to pull this over so that all fits. And there you go. It's a really, at least I think so, cute adult coloring page. And the pirate's face is perfect for this. So hope this gives you some ideas on how to use the elements that you've gotten in the package and the bonus together.